This short video shows you how to download footage off the CloudX portal. From the main navigation page, accessed by clicking on My Uploads, select the device you're interested in. You'll be presented with all the footage previously uploaded. It can be simpler when determining which footage to download to use the list view. This gives you a list of all the files and the date that it was taken and the date it was actually uploaded to the platform. You can simply look at this date range and then select files by dragging a selection window. Alternatively, you can use the filter function. The filter function is very useful and lets you select a particular date range. You can see here that we're generally interested in the 21st of August, so we're going to select the 21st of August. The left-hand selection window is the from date and the right-hand selection is the to date. You can also specify times down the bottom. Apply the filter and you will get all the files in that particular date range. You can then come back to this view, which is the thumbnail view, and you can then again utilize a selection window, or you can right click anywhere that's not on an image and hit select all items. You might also want to wind this out to a larger number of images, so go back to the list view and you can see all 250 images lined up. And again, you can click a right click and then go select all items. The next step is to create a folder. The reason we create a folder is that presently we enable downloads via a folder selection. So if we click folder, add folder, and we're going to create something called download. This lets you easily move individual files in and out of a folder so that you can then individually download that folder. Now that these are all selected, it's simply a matter of dragging them into the download folder like this, much like you would in an file explorer on your Mac or Windows-based computer. Once this is now available, or you can right click on the folder and hit download all zip files, all files, which will come down as a zip file. Once that downloads to your computer, you can then decide if you want to not have all the images in the download folder, is again, come back to this right click, select all items, and then you can just move the images back into the higher level folder. So we can see now the download is empty. We can come back up and all the images will be back. It's a little bit slow because we've got 250 files listed here. If you want to delete the download folder, you can just right click and hit delete. Otherwise, you can leave it there ready for your next download. I hope this has been helpful.